Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to mark as shipped on Depop. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Depop account as an administrator. This will bring you to the dashboard. You'll need to navigate to the product catalog for your store. If you haven't set up your shop yet, you'll need to do that first. Once your shop is set up, accessing the shipping label for a product should be straightforward. To view and configure shipping labels, go to your list of products and locate the item you want to manage. Long press on the product to bring up its details. Here, you'll find various options, including the shipping label. You can view and print the shipping label, check its status, and update it based on the current state of the item. For example, if the item has been received by the buyer, you can mark it as shipped. This changes the status in your inventory and notifies the buyer. The options might include settings like sustainable packaging tips, get a receipt, message to buyer, or refund sale. But the key feature you'll use is the status update. As a seller, ensure that once you ship the item, you mark it as shipped to keep your inventory and transaction records accurate. This helps both you and your buyer keep track of the order's progress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.